Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use GetStencil for Twitter posts. First of all, log in and start a new design. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to GetStencil and log in using your credential. From here, you can choose the Twitter post format. GetStencil provides a preset canvas size of 1200 by 675 pixels for Twitter. Find the Twitter post option here and click on Set button. If you prefer, browse through GetStencil template to find a Twitter-friendly design that fits your message from the Templates tab here. Use the text tool to add a message, quote or call to action for your Twitter post. Keep the text cohesive as Twitter posts perform best with short engaging content. Customize font style, size, color, and alignment to make the text easy to read and visually appealing. You can also use icons, images, or shapes. To use the icon, click on the Icons tab and find the icon from here. To upload a photo, you can click on Uploads and click on Upload Image, and you can upload it from a device. You can also add shapes as background element. Go to the icons, and here you can find different shapes. Choose color that align with your brand or message. If you are using an image, apply filters to enhance its appearance or create a consistent aesthetic across a Twitter post. Click on the image and you can find various options from here. Once you are happy with the design, click on Save to keep your work. After that, click on Download to export the image as PNG or JPG format, which is suitable for Twitter uploads. Using GetStencil to create Twitter posts allow you to design visually appealing content that stands out in users' feed. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.